Hi, I'm Dr. Wei. I'm a board-certified prosthodontist at Smile Rehab Centers. Prosthodontists are oral architects, and we are experts at rebuilding a smile. To become a prosthodontist, you have to go through advanced training, 3 to 5 years. At the end of your training, you become certified prosthodontist. Now, to become a board-certified prosthodontist, you have to go through a series of exams that actually proves that you're an expert in your field. I've been practicing dentistry for over 20 years, and I have restored thousands of dental implants. Over these years, I've seen the evolution of dentistry, and the way the technology is advancing in dentistry, it is crucial that you keep up with this technology and make sure you have the finest and latest technology in your dental practice. Our ultimate goal is to serve our patients, and the best way to do it is to utilize these technologies. Please call Smile Rehab Centers and schedule your free consultation so we can help you get a custom smile.